In this video, I'll show you how to trade binary options without any indicator. Firstly, I'll show you by making some trade, and then I'll explain you the exact strategy that you can use to trade binary options without any indicator. So the platform that I'm using for to show you is called Pocket Option, and if you don't have an account on Pocket Option, then I'll give you a link in the description. You can create your practice account or real account in Pocket Option, and whenever you make your first deposit inside this platform, you will get huge amount of deposit bonus. Not only that much, you will also keep on getting deposit bonus in your upcoming days when you keep on depositing on this platform. So now, without doing any delay, let's get started. And one important thing, after watching this video, if you think this video added some value to your life, then make sure to like this video. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. So let me firstly show you how you can make trade without any indicator. Okay, so firstly you select your currency pair whichever you want to trade on, and then select the candlestick. You can trade on 1 minute candle or 5 second candle. Okay, you can trade on 5 second time frame in Pocket Option, so I'll show you in that. Okay, just select candles and click on S5. Okay, and here you can see if it is flag, then turn it to clock and then make it S5, and then you can now trade on 5 second time frame. If you don't see S5 at here, that means this currency pair will not allow you to trade on 5 second, and you need to trade on 1 minute. Okay, for this strategy. Now you can put the amount that you want to invest, either it is $1, $10 or $100, whatever it is. Okay, so now I'll make some trade. Okay, so let's see. So I made a $92 profit at here, as you can see. Sorry, here. Now I will invest $192. Let's see in another currency pair. Not in this one. Let's see at here. So I have made $176. That means I have risked $100 and made up to $200 in profit if you calculate previous trade and this trade. So now let me explain you the exact strategy. You can also rewind this video and watch if it was correct or not. Okay, so but firstly you understand this money management. I'll not tell it on money management. It is a risk to reward ratio. Like I have invested $100. Okay, my total risk was $100. Okay, and firstly I made $92 profit, and that was total 92. And again what I did is I invested $192. Okay, and I made profit. Okay, and if you calculate properly, then that profit would be $92 plus $162. That sorry, $176, and total is $268. 92 plus 176. That means I risk $100 to make $268. That is 1:2.5 risk to reward ratio. Of course, it is a little bit risky, okay, but you can use it if you want, or if you have any other money management strategy, you can use that too. So now let's talk about the strategy that I have used while making trade. So as you can see, two red candles are forming. Now I'll see what previously two candles, when previously two candles were forming, then what was the third candle. Okay, so when these two candle were red, so let's not explain that here. Let me show you in another, because here was a green candle. So here it is, two red candle, and third candle was red. So I'll make a trade by clicking on lower at here. Okay, in that way I made a trade. Now you may think that this doesn't work all the time. Yes, of course, not everything works for all 100% of the time, but most of the time this works. Okay, so now let me show you in this currency pair also. So as you can see here, uh, two red candle. Okay, and after two red candle there was green candle. That means here I would make a trade by clicking on higher. Okay, so in this way I'll find places where I can make trade. Okay, by taking the reference of previous side, what happened after, what happened at the past when two candles were formed, and in real time the two candles were forming. Okay, and at third candle I would see what have happened, and then I would make trade on that basis. Now if you have any questions regarding this strategy, then you can ask me in the comment section. and you can test it properly in your demo account. It will not work for the 100% of the time, but most of your trade will go right. Okay, and at certain point if it is not working, then don't use this strategy. Okay, but when it is working, it will work like a charm. Okay, so do test it properly, and I'll see you in on my other strategies video. You can check it by clicking the link in the description of this YouTube video. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.